Hello guys, I'm going to exercise.
I need to pee, teacher. There's no ubod, CR.
Hindi ka magpagala at siya ay
Nasa gala.
ano ako magpapaligot sa nalastos yun.
Paligos mo motor yun.
Hatod na kami.
I'm not gonna sigala.
Wala na sa gala. Because it's almost 7 p.m. Patay ko mag-move, di ba? Yeah. 27.
I'm not gonna sigala.
Why? Wala pa siya ticket ka.
Because I'm going
60? I-charge mo tapos doon ang cellphone doon.
because I'm going to ask so many questions with Iman. I'm not gonna sigala too because I might get sick.
Ano yun? Gamon?
Hi, Kuya. Have you heard that name? Ako lumagapit sa amin.
I'm not gonna sigala. I'm just going to come with you guys in the when you're in the basketball court, okay?
Even me know. Is it no to go? I don't know. Bye-bye. So I guess you should leave. I don't want to. And then I'll get what? No. You need to survive by yourself. I'm not leaving you.
I'm not gonna sigala, guys. I'm just gonna be there with you.
Sasagala kita.
Guys, I'm going to be there. Okay? I'm gonna be there after Sagala.
Nakan, I get Nakan, what I do? You know, that if it's raining, sometimes we put some hot water to the cold water.